Hi friends, welcome to Leelalicious. I'm Regina and today I'm going to show you how to make one pot chicken fajita pasta. This delicious and easy dinner recipe comes together so quickly all in one pot. It includes all of the components that you love in fajitas, only now it is in a pasta dish. They're juicy chicken thigh strips, bell peppers, charred onions, as well as pasta, all combined in a tomato sauce. We're going to start with the onion and bell pepper, and so that they don't overcook in this one pot dish, we're going to char them first, set them aside, and then add them in again in the end. To prepare the ingredients for today's recipe, I'm using cutting boards from my affiliate partner, Eli Home. Their beautiful cutting boards have color-coded silicone non-slip edges, and now they also offer this super handy cutting board organizer to display your beautiful cutting boards in a neat and organized way. Be sure to check out the entire product line from the link in the description below and use my code Leela to receive 15% off your order. And I might make a small commission too. So now for our fajita pasta, let's start with half an onion. Both white and red onion work well. We need just half of it and then cut it into slices or strips. Put aside the onion, and next up we need 2 bell peppers. You can use any colors, green, red, orange, yellow, but using at least one that's not green will give this entire dish a little bit more sweetness. Cut the bell peppers into slices as well. I like to do that by first separating the segments of the bell pepper, and then I remove the seeds and stem part and slice each segment into about 1/4 inch thickness. Now for the chicken, we're going to use the other cutting board. This one I have specifically set aside for meat use. We need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's about 4 to 5 thighs. Cut those into strips as well. Although you could technically also use chicken breast, I highly recommend thigh meat. It has more fat in it, so it won't dry out as quickly while cooking, so you end up with more juicy, succulent pieces of chicken in your pasta dish. And now let's get cooking. Preheat a large pot or Dutch oven, add 1 tablespoon of oil to that, and then add your onion as well as bell pepper strips. Season the veggies with about half a teaspoon of salt and then saute or sear them until they have some nice color to them. And so that they don't overcook, we're going to remove them now and put them aside. We're going to add them in the very end again. Now add the other tablespoon of oil to the pot and your chicken strips. To that, add 2 tablespoons of Mexican seasoning mix. I'm using my homemade taco seasoning. You can also use fajita or chili seasoning mix. Now cook the chicken until it is browned and the pieces have a nice char to it. Then add 1.5 cups of chicken broth. To deglaze the pot, use a spatula or wooden spoon and scrape up any brown bits from the bottom. Now add 1 cup of diced tomatoes, either canned or 1 large fresh tomato, and half a cup of tomato puree or any tomato sauce. Now add half a pound of short pasta. I'm using penne here, but any short shape will work. Also, I'm using regular pasta, but whole wheat or gluten-free pasta will work as well. The timing may just be a little bit different. Now stir everything together and try to keep as many of the noodles immersed in the liquid as possible. Now close the lid and cook this entire dish until most of the water is absorbed and the pasta is al dente. So depending on the type of pasta you use, that time can vary. Now add the sauteed onions and bell peppers back into the pot, stir them in so they can heat through, and add some optional shredded cheese and chopped cilantro, and you are ready to serve. Usually one-pot pasta dishes are best served hot right after they finish cooking, but you can also reheat them later. You just may have to add a little bit more liquid and the pasta will probably continue to soften. I like to add a little bit more cheese and cilantro on my plate as well as some avocado slices. I can't wait to dig in here now. And this is how quick and easy it is to make one pot chicken fajita pasta. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know in the comments how you like it. I love to hear from you guys. Also, please be sure to like this video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do that now so that you'll never miss a new video from me. And I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.